Mutagens are chemical or physical agents that cause mutations, that is, changes the genetic material DNA of an organism. We have already discussed about the mutations and its types in detail in the previous chapter. Here we will focus on mutagens. It is well known that some of the mutations can cause cancer, therefore, mutagens may be carcinogenic in nature. Number of substances has been identified as carcinogens in 1920s like PAH, polyaromatic hydrocarbon, benzol, pyrene. Later in 1927, Hermann Muller discovered that X-rays may cause genetic mutations. Mid in 90s, Louis Stadler also showed the mutational effect of X-ray on barley and ultraviolet radiation on maize. Later, scientists identified number of chemicals responsible to cause mutations. Ames test for preliminary identification of carcinogen compounds was the great development in the identifications of mutagens. Mutagens are not necessarily carcinogens and vice versa. Sodium azide, for example, may be mutagenic and highly toxic, but it has not been shown to be carcinogenic. Effects of mutagens. Mutagens may be of physical, chemical or biological origin. They may act directly on the DNA, causing direct damage to it and most often result in replication error. Some, however, may act on the replication mechanism and chromosomal partition. Different mutagens act on the DNA differently. One class of mutagens is known as clastogens may result in chromosomal instability causing chromosomal breakages and rearrangements such as translocations, deletions and inversion. Another class of mutagens modifies the DNA base sequence either by substitution, deletion or insertion of base pair in nucleotide sequence. Outcome of the above mutations may be lethal or have minor effects. Some mutagens can cause aneuploidy and change the number of chromosomes in the cell. In Ames test, where the varying concentrations of the chemical are used in the test, curve obtained is nearly always linear, suggesting that there is no threshold for mutagenesis. A small amount of mutagen may be responsible for DNA damage or replication error. Mutagens act in three different ways. Some mutagens show resemblance to the nucleotides known as base analogues, and due to this similarity in structure, these base analogues used as a substrates for DNA synthesis. Some mutagens affect the structure of DNA by reacting with the DNA directly, and this structural changes cause mispairing of template strand at the time of DNA replication. Third category includes that class of mutagens which themselves do not affect the DNA but may result in production of the chemicals which affect the DNA structure and its synthesis. Mutagens may act directly on the DNA, causing direct damage to the DNA and most often result in replication error. Some, however, may act on the replication mechanism and chromosomal partition. Types of mutagens. Mutagens may be of different types like physical, chemical or biological. Their mechanisms of causing mutations is also different. Some of the mutagens act directly on the DNA, causing damage to the nucleotide sequence, or some of them act on the replication mechanism, results into replication error. Let's discuss in detail about the types of mutagens. First, physical mutagens. Second, chemical mutagens. Third, biological mutagens. Physical mutagens. Physical mutagens include UV radiation, ionizing radiations and heat. UV radiations. Ultraviolet radiation generates a number of photoproducts in DNA. UV radiation is less energetic and therefore non-ionizing, but its wavelengths are preferentially absorbed by bases of DNA and by aromatic amino acids of proteins. So, it has important biological and genetic effects. UV radiations of 260 nanometer causes covalent bond formation between neighboring thymine bases in the DNA, results into dimer formation. This dimer formation is less common in purine. Results of this dimer formation is deletion type of mutation when the modified strand is copied. These dimers block transcription, DNA replication and are lethal if unrepaired. They can stimulate mutation and chromosome rearrangement as well. Ionizing radiation. Ionizing radiations include X-rays, gamma rays, alpha particle and beta rays. Depending upon the types of radiation and their intensity has various effects on DNA, result into point insertion, deletion mutations as well as more severe forms of DNA damage that prevent subsequent replication of the genome. These ionizing radiations may act directly on the DNA or can stimulate the formation of reactive molecules which indirectly damage the DNA. Heat. Heat is the another factor responsible for the mutation. It causes water-induced cleavage of beta and glycosidic bond that attaches the base to the sugar component of nucleotide and release the base. This results into AP, apurinic, apyrimidinic or baseless sites with sugar phosphate only, which is unstable and degradable. Due to this, there is a gap formation in DNA strand. Usually cells have repair system for filling these gaps generated and so these reactions may or may not be mutagenic. Several chemicals occur in the environment naturally possess mutagenic property. Apart from them, human industrial activity also leads increment in the chemicals act as mutagens. For chemical mutagens, these are as follows: base analogues. The chemical compounds with structural similarity with the normal or standard nitrogen bases of DNA and also have same base pairing properties are known as base analogues. They can cause mutations due to incorporation of incorrect base during replication. For example, 5-bromouracil is a base analog of thymine and nucleotide with this base is incorporated to the daughter strand opposite to A in the template. This entire process results into point mutation. 2-aminopurine is another example, acts in a similar way, is an analog of adenine that pairs with thymine during DNA replication. Base alteration. Some mutagens are not incorporated into the DNA but instead modify or alter a base causing specific mispairing. This category includes deaminating agents. Removal of amino group is known as deamination. Several chemicals can act as deaminating agents such as nitrous acid, sodium bisulfate. Nitrous acid deaminates bases adenine, guanine and cytosine with amino group. Sodium sulfite acts only on cytosine. Effect of the above deamination processes may be more or less. For example, deamination of guanine is not mutagenic because it gives rise to xanthine, due to which process of replication blocks until it repairs. Similarly, adenine deamination results into hypoxanthine which pairs with C rather than T, and deamination of cytosine gives uracil which pairs with A rather than G. Deamination of these two bases therefore results in point mutations when the template strand is copied. Alkylating agents. Chemicals such as ethyl methane sulfonate and dimethyl nitrosamine add alkyl groups to nucleotides in DNA molecules and modify their base pairing properties, which results into point mutation. The effect of alkylation depends on the position at which the nucleotide is modified and the type of alkyl group is added. Some of the alkyl agents may block the replication process by forming cross links between the two strands or by adding large alkyl groups. Intercalating agents. This category is another important class of DNA modifiers coupled with insertion mutations. This group of compounds includes proflavin, ethidium bromide, acridin orange and a class of chemicals termed ICR compounds. Ethidium bromide is the best known mutagen. It is used to visualize DNA bands after agarose gel electrophoresis as it fluoresces under UV light. Ethidium bromide and other intercalating agents are flat in structure and easily slip between the stacked nitrogen bases at the core of the DNA double helix. Due to this, there is slightly unwinding of helix occurs, which results into increase in the distance between the adjacent base pairs. Insertion of intercalating agents between the helical structures of DNA may result into frame shift mutation or may cause single nucleotide pair insertions or deletions. Some of the agents like daunorubicin may block transcription and replication, making them highly toxic to proliferating cells. Base damage. One more category of mutagens is there which damages one or more specific bases, due to which no base pairing is possible, and finally process of replication blocks. One of the examples of this type of mutagen is aflatoxin B1. Its origin is from fungal infected peanuts and is highly carcinogen. The mechanism of action of aflatoxin is formation of additional product at N7 position of guanine, which results into breakage of bond between the base and sugar, thereby liberating an apurinic site. It may be concluded that agents that cause depurination at guanine residues should preferentially induce GC-TA transversion. Apart from the above mentioned physical and chemical mutagens which damages or interact with the DNA directly, there are also many mutagens and chemicals which themselves are not mutagenic but can form mutagenic metabolites. Such mutagens are called promutagens. For example, PAHs, aromatic amines and benzene, they may produce mutagenic components through metabolic processes in the cell. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, when activated to diol epoxides and bind to DNA and form adducts. Psoralen combined with ultraviolet radiation causes DNA cross-linking and hence chromosome breakage occurs. Alkaloid from plants such as those from Vinca species may be converted by metabolic processes into the active mutagen or carcinogen. Similarly, reactive oxygen species like superoxide, hydroxyl radicals and hydrogen peroxide are highly reactive species and generated by normal cellular processes, for example, as a byproduct of mitochondrial electron transport or lipid peroxidation. These ROS may result in the production of many base adducts as well as DNA strand breaks and cross links. Metals. Metals are other example of mutagens class which act indirectly via different number of mechanisms. These metals may interfere in the repair process such as DNA mismatch repair and base and nucleotide excision repair. They may produce ROS or alter the conformity of DNA replication. Metals with such mutagenic properties include nickel, arsenic, cobalt, cadmium, iron, etc. Biological agents. There are some biological agents also responsible for causing mutations in the DNA. Below are the few examples. Transposon. It is a DNA sequence that can change its position or relocate within the genome. These insertions sometimes create or reverse the mutation and also increase the cell genome size. Another effect of the transposon sequence relocation is the disruption of the functional element of genes. Virus. Virus is a small infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of other organisms. Virus infects the cell and releases its genetic constituent DNA, RNA, which integrates into the genome of host cell. This insertion of extra genome may result into genetic disruption. Some of the virus infections are responsible for causing cancer to the host cells. Bacteria. Some bacterial infections cause inflammation due to which ROS reactive oxygen species produced, which can cause damage and reduce the DNA repair system efficiency. Example of such type of bacteria is Helicobacter pylori. Protection against mutagens. In nature, there are lot many compounds exist which helps against the effect of mutagens or to remove them. Among this group of compounds includes antioxidants, flavonoids, selenium, sulforaphane, a phytonutrient. They have mechanisms that may help in removing reactive oxygen species and have anti-cancer properties too. Antioxidants found naturally in fruits and vegetables, and its examples are vitamin and its carotenoid precursors, vitamin C, vitamin E, polyphenols and various other compounds. Vitamin C may prevent some cancers by inhibiting the formation of mutagenic N-nitroso compounds. A person should intake a diet rich in fruits and vegetables so the body can fight against the effect of mutagens and also get prevention from cancer. Other components like selenium is component of an important antioxidant enzyme glutathione peroxidase. Apart from the healthy diet, a person should avoid exposure to the UV light and tobacco smoke. Test system for mutagens identification. Several tests have been developed for the primary screening of mutagens, and for this other than animal system is also used. Some of the tests are as follows. One of the most popular tests for identification of mutagen is Ames test. This test is based on the concept of reversion of nutrient deficient strain into the wild type in presence of mutagens or other chemicals have carcinogenic properties. Here Salmonella typhimurium strains are used and they are deficient in histidine biosynthesis. This test checks that whether the mutant converts back into wild strain or not. It is an easy, inexpensive and convenient initial screen for mutagens. Similar to this, another test is based to check forward mutation that confer resistance to 8-azeguanine in a histidine revertant strain. E. coli bacterial system is also used to check both reverse and forward mutation. Here, tryptophan deficient mutant is used for the reverse mutation, while galactose utility or resistance to 5-methyltryptophan may be used for forward mutation. Other than bacterial system, yeast, Drosophila, plants such as Z. maize, Arabidopsis thaliana and animal systems have been used in various test assays for mutagenicity of chemicals. Use of mutagen in anti-cancer therapy. Many mutagens are highly toxic to proliferating cells and they are often used to destroy cancer cells. Alkylating agents such as cyclophosphamide and cisplatin as well as intercalating agents such as daunorubicin and doxorubicin may be used in chemotherapy. As these mutagens affect the proliferating cancerous cells, simultaneously they also affect the normal cells which are dividing rapidly, so they may have side effects such as hair loss and nausea. Research on better targeted therapies may reduce such side effects. Conclusion: mutations are the part of natural process that changes DNA sequence at replication level and are responsible for variations. Mutations are reversible and generate new variations like difference in human hair, color, skin color, height, shape, etc., which can be advantageous to the individual and passed to the next generation, but accumulation of mutation in cells leads to various genetic diseases in humans. Reasons behind these mutations are various chemical, physical and biological agents known as mutagens. Mechanism of these mutagens finally leads to change in DNA structure and in the replication process. Cells have repair mechanism to counter the effect of these mutagens, but instead of that, a person should take care and avoid the exposure to mutagens like UV light, intercalating agents and other chemicals.